Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, this is another video in our Divi for Beginners series. In our last one, we've branded our site with a logo and a favicon and a little tagline up here. In this one, we're going to create our first page. Really easy to do. There's two ways you can do it. You can go up to New at the top here, hit the plus sign, go down to Page, create a new page that way. Or if you're at your dashboard, you can go down to Pages and add a new page that way. Once you've loaded your page, you want to give it a title. Now, this being the first page, I'm going to call it Home Page. Call yours what you will. But usually the first page that you build is your home page. Now, there's a couple of page options over here that you want to be aware of. On this side, we've got template. It may be hidden. If it is, just look under summary, hit the little chevron there, it'll drop down. Now, if you click on default template here, it's going to give you an option with a drop down. You can use a default template, which is the one that you use mostly, which will show the menu and the logo and everything up here. And you've got a blank page template. And with the blank page, you'll have no header or logo or anything up there. And they're great for coming soon pages or landing pages, things like that. I'm going to leave mine on the default template there. And I'm going to hit the Use Divi Builder button. Once the builder opens, if it's your first time, it's going to have a little pop-up that says Welcome to the Divi Builder, and you can take a tour if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and start building, but if you're not sure what you're doing, take the tour. There's some really interesting stuff on there. Let's hit the Start Building button. And it's going to present us with three different options here. We can build from scratch with all of the modules that Divi has, and we'll be covering that in future videos. We can choose a pre-made layout, which I'll do today to keep things quick. Or we can clone an existing page. We've no existing pages at the moment, so we can't use that option right now. Let's choose a pre-made layout just for our home page. We will be doing custom layouts in future videos. I hit the Browse Layouts button. It's brought me to this page here. Simply select subject you want to cover here. I've just checked technology there. Let's select one of these at random. Let's have this one right here. I'm going to click on this one here. And it's got several different layouts you can choose from. There's a home page right there. If you want to look at the home page, just click on it. It'll give you a version of it here. And you can check out a live demo by hitting the little green button there. And it'll show a live demo of this page in a new tab here. Once you're happy, let's go back, close this out. If that's one you want to use, hit this Use Layout button. And there we have it. It's loaded our nice new page for us here. We've got blue tabs for sections. We've got green tabs which are for rows. And we've got dark tabs which are for modules. You can also just click on any text once you're inside the builder here. And just select it and start typing. Whatever you want yours to say. Let's capitalize that perhaps. Buttons, you can go in there. It's always a dark tab for a module. You can click on the link. You can change the button text there and add your own link down here. Always best practice if you're linking to your own site. Keep it in the same window. If you're linking off-site to somebody else's, open it in a new tab. That way your site's going to stay open. And you can go down and you can edit all these things by simply putting your mouse over them, going into the module and adjusting how you want to. Now, if I add a new row or a column, little green button to add a new row up there. Let's add it perhaps below here. We can add a new section with a blue button, a new row with a green button, and a new module with a dark button. And it'll always place it directly under the row above it. So let's add a new row. You can choose how many columns you want. I'm just going to put one in just to show you how you can do this. Once you put a row in, it'll pop up with all the available modules, and we'll be going through these in future videos, and there's plenty enough to build just about any site here. Just add whatever module it is you want to put in there. I'll just add a heading module. And with all these modules, if you go into a module, you start typing and put something in there, you can hover over it, hit the little paintbrush. It'll take you straight to the design. Like I say, we're going to go over these modules in depth later on. So let's make this capitalize, bold, pop them in the middle. Perhaps make it blue in color and a lot bigger. When you're happy, hit the little check mark to save changes. If you do something and you're not happy with it, just hit the X and it'll take you back to how it was. Let's do that this time. And to delete a module or a row, all of these tabs have a little trash can right there. Just hit your little trash can. And like I say, once you're happy, hit your Save Draft button. Or hit the Publish button if you want to publish it. When you save as a draft, it can't be used on your live site. So once you're ready and you want it to be published, hit the Save and Publish button. And then we can hit the Exit Visual Builder. And we've now created our first page down here. Like I say, obviously you want to go in and edit and make it your own. In our next video, we'll show you how to make a page from scratch and start using some of these modules that we've got here. So there you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this today. There's how to create your first page with the Divi theme and how to load a pre-made layout. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. Don't forget, if you have any questions, pop them below the video. I'll do my best to answer them for you, or make a demo video like this one. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.